Welcome to Science 101. Today, we're diving into the microscopic world of bacteria and viruses. While they both can cause diseases, they are fundamentally different in many ways. Understanding these differences is essential for our health and well-being. Let's explore what makes bacteria and viruses unique, how they can lead to illnesses, and the ways we can prevent these diseases. Let's explore the difference between bacteria and viruses. Get ready to be amazed, and let's begin. By the end of this video, you should be able to identify the main differences between bacteria and viruses. Name common diseases caused by bacteria and viruses. Explain simple ways to prevent bacterial and viral infections. Understand how bacteria and viruses affect health. First, let's understand what bacteria and viruses are. Bacteria are tiny, single-celled organisms that can be found almost everywhere in soil, water, and even inside our bodies. Most bacteria are harmless and some are even beneficial, helping us digest food. Viruses, on the other hand, are even smaller than bacteria and cannot survive without a host cell. They invade living cells and use them to reproduce, which can often lead to illness. Let's compare the differences between bacteria and viruses. Are they living or non-living? Bacteria are living organisms made of one cell. They can grow and reproduce on their own. While viruses are not living. They are much smaller than bacteria. They need a host to multiply. Which is bigger or smaller? Bacteria are generally larger and can be visible under a light microscope, while viruses are much smaller and can only be visible with an electron microscope. And how are they structured? Bacteria are unicellular. That is usually surrounded by cell walls. While viruses have no cells. Instead, it's surrounded by a protein coat called a capsid. Let's find out some common infections caused by bacteria and viruses. Bacterial infections, such as strep throat, a bacterial infection of the throat and tonsils, causing sore throat and fever. Tuberculosis, TB, a serious infectious disease that primarily affects the lungs. Salmonella, a bacterial infection that causes food poisoning, leading to diarrhea, vomiting, and abdominal cramps. And viral infections, such as common cold, caused by several different viruses. It is an upper respiratory infection that affects your nose and throat. Measles. It is a highly infectious disease that causes a high fever, rash, cough, and red eyes. It can lead to life-threatening complications. Chickenpox. It is very contagious and spreads easily. It causes an itchy, fluid-filled blister rash on the skin. Here are the ways to prevent bacterial and viral infections. Good hygiene. Regular hand washing with soap and water can significantly reduce the spread of bacteria. Vaccination. Vaccines can prevent serious diseases. Consult with your doctor about recommended vaccinations for both bacterial and viral illnesses. Healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a strong immune system through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. And proper practice. Covering your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing is a crucial practice to prevent the spread of germs containing the droplets that can carry viruses and bacteria. In summary, while both bacteria and viruses can cause diseases, they are different in structure, living status, and how they affect our bodies. Understanding these differences helps us recognize how to protect ourselves and others from infections. Remember, maintaining good hygiene, and getting vaccinated are crucial steps in prevention. Quiz time. Grab your pen and paper, and get ready.
Check your answer.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.